Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Chris and this is Restoration Rescue. And in this week's video, we have a lot of work to do ahead of us. We're going to try and get that door squared away, all the holes filled on it, because up the door, there's definitely some big holes on it that we definitely need to take care of. But we're getting very, very close for that thing to be ready to go into primer, as well as the rest of the truck. The hood needs some filler, so does those doors. So let's go ahead, hop right in, and start filling up some of those holes going up the door. So man, this thing looks good with all the holes filled up, but the paint still makes it look nasty. We still have to get this all the way down to its bare metal coat so that I can start laying some filler and just a filler line and sand it back to make this thing smooth like the other door. The door has already been fit. It made a perfect fit in the door, so I am pumped about that. We definitely have some bolts. We just got to get some hinges out of the back. But now it's time to start peeling away this ugly paint so we can lay down some filler. So most of the paint is all gone. I do have some behind the door handle, but we got to flip the door over and work on getting that door handle off. And to do that, we are going to have to remove the window. So we're going to go ahead and knock that out, get that door handle out, get the rest of the paint off of this thing so I can start putting some filler on this thing. So as you can see, there is a hole in the door. And now that is because our door handle kind of broke. Well, I cut it off a little bit, but the nuts had rotted so bad that it wouldn't come out. So we went to one of our other trucks where we found a pretty good one. Obviously, we have to do some grinding back of some surface rust, got it sprayed, and now it's good. So now we just need to cut out that old area and put in this new one, especially keeping that brace in there just so it adds the strength. So let's go ahead, start cutting this out. I've already marked it off. We can't go too far because I don't want to start getting into the edge. So we're going to be careful, cut it, and grind the other one back. I may just cut out where the handle is and save some of that original strong metal. There is a couple dents now from pulling it out, so I'm going to make sure that those are not in the panel again. So I'm going to go with the new panel-ish part. So we're going to get that put in. So let's go ahead and start cutting that out. So after getting that new door handle in, because the other one had rotted out, looks pretty good. Now what we need to do is start putting some body filler on this thing. We've just cleaned it off. It's ready to go. It's ready for its coat of body filler. This door will definitely not need as much as the other door, I don't believe. But we're going to start on the outside and get working on this thing so that we can get it filled up and get it hooked up to this truck. All right, so we have gotten all the filler where it needs to go. All of the holes are going to be filled, and everything's going to look amazing once we sand it and grind it back. However, that is not a job for today, as we've been out here since almost 8 in the morning, and it's 9:30 at night. So it has been a very long day out here. We have been working our butts off on this thing. This thing is going to come out amazing. Once we do this, we also have to flip it over and still do the inside portion to do the filler on the inside panel, but it is looking really, really good. This door went a lot easier than the other door, so we were able to get it pretty much knocked out in just 2 videos. Obviously, we have to do the filler on the inside, so maybe a third, but we have some other things coming up to the channel next week to continue on body work. And no, it's not the bed. We have the 2 front hood pieces that need to go on. We also have to do filler on the hood. So we'll get to that next week, but we have run out of time for today. So I hope you guys are subscribed to the channel. If not, please do subscribe to the channel. Share it with your friends. Make sure you comment on the videos. Hit that like button, and it'll help this algorithm help us get out to more of your friends and ours and make new friends for all of us. And we'll see you guys next Saturday.